Number one, having a great team in place, having a great support team. And one of the things that I learned, that I teach people, is how to scale your company, right? Because you don't, like, I don't have the businesses that own me. A lot of business owners think they own a business, but it's vice versa. The business owns them because they're constantly having to work, right? So we have to change that mindset, and we have to learn, how do we become business owners? How do we own a business that runs by itself? And that becomes by having a great team that is going to be taking care of your business. So all you do is you do what you're good at, which is becoming a visionary, knowing, okay, this is where I want my company to go to. This is how I want my company to run. This is what I want to foresee. And all you have to deal with is with emergency situations. Because that's when really passive income in your company starts coming in. But the second part to that is actually having an asset, turning your business into an asset. And the way to do that is that your business is not an asset until your business needs you. The moment that your business no longer needs you, the longer that you're able to fire yourself from your business, that just became an asset. Why? Because it's self-sustained, it runs by itself.